Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take 4K video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to video mode, and here select this option, and here you will find 4K also. Okay. As of now, it is in full HD 1080p and 30 frame per second. Okay, if you select 4K, only 30 frame per second is available, and now you can record video. Okay, I start recording video. This video will be of 4K quality. I am stopping the video and play the video that you took. This video will be of 4K quality. Resolution is 4K for this video. Okay, so even if you zoom in very large, then it will not break down. Okay, so in this way you can easily take 4K video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.